This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Ron Pletcher. Elegant maintenance-free patio home for the discerning buyer. This lovely home was completed by Kerry Dishman in 2011. With over 5,000 square feet on 3 levels, situated on 4/10 acre lot, this property offers space for every need. There are 4.5 baths and 5 sizable bedrooms. 2 could be used as offices if you work from home. A grand 2-story foyer, with a beautiful staircase, opens into the well-designed, open concept plan. Some of the many special features include beautiful bamboo flooring, wainscoting, crown molding, 7.5-inch baseboards, upgraded woodwork and trim, custom Amish-built cabinets, 2 master suites, 1 on main level. Both have bathrooms with double vanities, 2 gas fireplaces, an abundance of windows bringing in natural light, a spacious deck overlooking a tree-lined yard, an extensive lower, partially covered deck adding another private space to enjoy the outdoors. The formal dining room has a large bay window and is separated from the kitchen by a butler's pantry west/counter space and lots of storage. The kitchen boasts a second prep sink, granite countertops, breakfast bar and an artistic backsplash. The considerable great room offers a dining area west/a bay window and 2 sitting areas. The focal point of the larger sitting area is the fireplace with a distinctive onyx surround, built-in shelves and a stylish ceiling fan. The second sitting area opens onto the deck. 2 bedrooms are located on the upper level along with a comfortable loft area. The current owners finished the lower level in 2019, creating a sizable family room west/fireplace and several potential seating/play areas. This room opens onto the large, lower deck. This level also offers 2 more bedrooms, a Jack and Jill bath west/double sinks and an unfinished storage room. Situated at the entrance of Rosewood, this property has been exquisitely landscaped and has a covered front porch west/an impressive double-door entry. This desirable eastside neighborhood is convenient to